Ladies and gentlemen, are you overthinking? Are you thinking too much these days? Too much stress? Too much happening in your lives? Most of us are spending time overthinking. We tend to boggle our mind, pressurize it, make it really stressed out. All because of thinking which may not really be important. Worries come from like a flood within us, and these worries are actually something which we need not have. 95% of the worries that we have never actually happen or fructify. So why should we be overthinking? The world is now into mind wandering. The mind wanders from the present moment into some other space. What if this happens? What if that doesn't happen? The future and the past. We are never in the present moment. Thich Nhat Hanh talks about being in the present moment. Paramahansa Yogananda says, live each moment completely and the future will take care of itself. Sushant Singh Rajput, a Bollywood actor star, he took his life. I knew him, I had met him, and I'm so surprised and astonished as someone so positive could be doing that sort of thing. What happens is our mind sometimes tells us things which don't even really need to be thought about. Young achievers often go through more stress because they've come upon success, they've come upon happiness, they've come upon riches, they've come upon the spotlight. And today the spotlight is relentless, it's endless. There's so much of social media, so much of media, so much of television and electronic media. What happens is that a young achiever is suddenly catapulted propelled into the mountains of social media spotlight. So he or she is often not able to handle it. Overthinking takes place. If you have 2 million likes or something, and the next day you have 1.5 million likes, it's like a depressing day. So what is happening is too much expectation, too much stress, too much of overthinking is leading to our, collapsing within. Our stress levels are going high. All of us, even if we're not achievers or young, we need to think about where our mind is. If we introspect, we'll find that most of the time we are thinking about things which really shouldn't be thought about. There are things which are irritating us, things which are, riling us, which are just disturbing our mind. And a ruffled mind is not able to think clearly. What I would request you to do is calm your mind down. Calmness is our best friend. How can we be calm in this era of constant information, constant happenings, constant goings on? We're always on the treadmill. The way to be calm is to meditate, is to not think too much. You must go for a walk sometime, and that is also like meditation. If you leave your phone behind or you don't listen to it, you'll be alone with nature. And even if you have a friend with you, that conversation is pleasant. Recently, I saw a graphic beautifully done. 2 people walking in a jungle, mindful and mindful. One's mind is full of clutter and information. The other is mindful of the moment. Such a beautiful thought. Mindful, F-U-double-L, mindful with an F-U-L at the end is what we need to be, not the F-U-double-L. So what should we do? We should analyze our mind. We should be determined to be better tomorrow, not overthink. And if depression and lows are coming to you, then get out of them quickly. Share your woes with someone. Another way could be writing therapy. Write down what you feel, even crumple and throw away the paper later. But you must express it. Don't keep it bottled up within. Depression is for real. We need to combat it before it becomes serious. So we really need to think about where our minds are headed. And of course, we all have lows. We are all human beings. We can't be perfect. We bounce back. We have the company of people who are positive, not critical complainers. Try and get the company of people who cheer you up. Talk to such people every day. All of us have such friends. So I think in a nutshell, what we need to do is to stop overthinking, to be positive and cheerful, spread happiness, and think a little bit more about the present moment than thinking of this and that and the other. Thank you very much.